Hi, I'm Nick with Minard's Leisure World, and I'm going to give you a quick preview of the Cherokee 304BH. As you can see, I'm at the front of the trailer. I want to show you right off the bat this quick drop that is available on this. You can use it by hand or just flip it over and use the cordless drill, same end as what you would for your jacks. So it's just a handy thing. That would bring it up and down very quick. Less costly, less things to go wrong rather as opposed to the power tongue jack. And then you can use the same one when you're putting down the stabilizer jacks. As you can see, the front has a checker plate on the front for rock guard, and it has a storage capacity underneath here that goes right under the bed as well. Yeah. This has a solar panel or the juice pack, which means that the solar panel is going to charge your battery, and the charging station is right here, so you can see what capability your battery does have. Aluminum package on the outside. It's heavier duty, and you see it's a nice graphics on the side. It's a little heavier duty than many of the aluminum sided trailers, so it doesn't dent as easily as what that would be. Okay, as we go down the side, you'll see the black tank flush that it has. It has a power awning, goes over top of the unit. This unit has 3 slides on it, so you've got lots of space on the inside as well. The glass-covered door, solid steps, and an easy access handle. As we look at the camp kitchen, has a big fridge, camp stove on the outside, ice maker, all the systems that you're going to need to enjoy your weekend. On the back of the coach, it has the storage rack. Drop that down and you can hold up to a couple hundred pounds worth of goods. Big window in the bunk room, and then it has a backup camera already installed for you. Inside the Cherokee 304BH, as soon as you walk in the door, you see a pantry area. You can store your baseball caps, folding up some sweaters, etc. Inside here, place to put a television, has the control panel right beside, and the radio as well. To my left, you'll see the large 10 cubic foot residential fridge. Runs on the 12 volt, and that's why we have the solar panel here for you, so that it will always keep that battery charging. Your fridge can always be running while you're traveling, while you're parked off grid and plugged in. Large counter space right in the kitchen area. You can see what's going on outside. You can watch the kids playing right in your own yard, and you've got place to put your coffee pot, place to put your toaster, everything right around here. You've got lots of prep area. Below here is the microwave, as well as an oven for you, and then down below here even you've got a place to store pots and pans. In the island, you have large sink area, farm sink. On the front, you've got loads of drawers for storage, and then when you look at this, it's almost like a walk-in closet, but it is a pantry. And you've got, again, lots of space to put even those big box of Cheerios that you like to take. Large U-shaped dinette with the solid table. These blinds people love because you can have day shades, night shades, or you can even have psychedelic lights moving up and down if you do that real fast. It's something to do when you're bored at the campsite. Underneath, storage. Huge space. Check that out. You can use that as a separate bedroom if need be. And then, of course, the jackknife sofa lays down so you can have another bed. Now, there's always something that sells a trailer more than any other thing, and that's this bunk room right here. As you come in here, you've got lots of space again. This lays down into a bed for the jackknife sofa with storage underneath. You've got a wide bunk bed up top here. Right across from it, you've got 2 solid bunks. This is pretty nice because this is on the inside, but it is still a wider bunk and a wider yet at the top. And this will even move up out of the way, and you've got storage underneath there. On each side, there are USB ports that you can plug in your phones or for the kids and everything, as well as a place you can put a television back here. Closet. More storage space for the kids' clothes. This can be closed down, the kids can have their own space and you can have your quiet time out front. On the way into the master bedroom, right over here, you've also got the bathroom. And check this out, it's an ensuite. Come on in, it has a foot flush toilet. It has a nice vanity as well as medicine cabinet. And the large rounded shower. Inside there's also a place to hang your bathrobes or hang extra things, just keeping everything handy for you. So in the master bedroom, right at the foot of the bed is the sliding door for the bathroom, so you have your privacy. You have closet space on both sides, reading lights at the top, plug-ins on each side as well as USB ports, and even a place to put your books or your telephone so that and your glass of water, you've got everything covered. Okay, well that is the quick preview that I talked about for showing the Cherokee 304BH. Things to remember, it's got tremendous bunk room space. Lots of room for the kids that you have now, plus even more if that's your plan. It has a 12-volt, 10 cubic foot fridge. Stays on all the time for you because it keeps running on that battery, and you've got a solar panel to protect you even when the power goes off. You've got lots of storage space, lots of counter space. You'll have lots of fun. I'm Nick with Minard's Leisure World. Check us out online, minardsleisureworld.com, and check out other stuff that we might have.